Hey everyone, struggling with a TV that refuses to cooperate? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix an Insignia TV that won't turn on. We'll cover various troubleshooting steps to get your screen lit up again without calling in the experts. Let's dive into the solution to this common issue. Step 1. Check the power source. Before we explore more complex solutions, let's start with the basics. Ensure your TV is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. Try plugging another device into the outlet to verify there's power. If your TV is connected to a power strip, make sure it is on and functioning properly. Sometimes a simple reconnection can resolve the issue in no time. Step 2. Inspect the power cord. Next, examine the power cord for any visible damage. A frayed or broken cord can prevent your TV from turning on. If you have pets or there's been furniture rearranging recently, the cord might be compromised. Consider replacing the power cord if you notice any wear and tear. If everything looks fine, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. If you're still having trouble, a power cycle may do the trick. Unplug your Insignia TV from the power outlet. Wait for at least 60 seconds to ensure it resets completely. During this time, press and hold the power button located on the TV itself for around 15 to 20 seconds. Afterward, plug the TV back in and try turning it on. This simple reset process can sometimes clear any temporary glitches. Step 4. Check the remote control. Sometimes the issue might not be with the TV, but with the remote control. Make sure your remote has working batteries by testing them in another device or replacing them entirely. Use the power button on the TV itself as an alternative to turning it on. If the TV responds to the manual power button but not the remote, you may need to replace or reprogram it. Step 5. Look for indicator lights. Take a close look at the TV's power indicator light if it has one. If the light is on but the TV isn't responding, it could indicate a problem with the internal hardware or software. Conversely, no light at all could reinforce the idea of a power issue. Step 6. Consider external devices. Occasionally, external devices connected to the TV, like a gaming console or streaming device, might cause conflicts. Disconnect any HDMI cables or external sources from the TV. Try to power it on again with no additional devices attached. If it works, one of these devices may need troubleshooting. Step 7. Factory reset if necessary. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, especially if your TV shows signs of life but gets stuck on a logo screen or similar. Find the reset button, usually a small pinhole, and press it with a pin or a similar object. Keep in mind this will erase all settings and saved information. Fixing an Insignia TV that won't turn on might seem daunting, but often the solution is simple. Whether it's checking power connections, inspecting cords, or ensuring remote control functionality, these steps can help you resolve the issue without professional help. Try these methods responsibly, and remember, sometimes a professional opinion might be necessary if problems persist. Hopefully this guide has helped you understand how to fix an Insignia TV that won't turn on. Keep these steps in mind and you'll have your TV up and running in no time. Happy viewing.